Guys, April 16, 2024. So there I got a call from a guy I've worked for him in the past, and he's got an issue with a toilet leaking on the floor. So he don't know what's happening, but the thing's leaking. So I think it might be like a broken closet bowl, tank to bowl or something. You know, and it's just running down. It could be a valve. I mean, it could be anything, but we're gonna go over there and see if we could figure it out.
What?
Yeah, she's dripping like crazy. Have to replace the valve.
Okay.
Even with it on, even with it off, it's still dripping.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's a pack of nut in there I could tighten up, but she's really flipping loose as it. Let's put a new valve in there, okay? Let me shut the main water off.
Okay.
We'll put a new valve in. I'll fix this toilet so it stops leaking. Let me shut the water off and I'll get my tools.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta get out. You're in my way. Yeah. Just have a seat and let me do my job. And
There you go.
yeah, you're slowing me up. I gotta get to the valve, guy.
Oh, how close is it to it?
You gonna shut it off?
Yeah.
All right. Let me get
That means I gotta move it towards the, I'll be in the kitchen.
Okay.
Working.
Hopefully I get this thing out of here without making too much of a disaster. Well, yeah, we got the water off now, but what a mess.
Yeah, and you know what I noticed? There's no shut off for the water here.
Yeah, the shut-off's under the toilet here.
It is?
Yeah. That's what's leaking.
But I looked for, you know, like the one underneath the sink, and there's nothing.
There, it's here. You probably can't see it that good anymore, huh?
Jeez, I don't know. I'm not that bad at shape.
You can't see the shut-off under there? I'll show it to you when I get it out, okay? It's definitely there.
I'm looking for one like this one here.
Yeah, it's similar. It's definitely in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, gee.
Yeah, I work for your brother, too. Your brother?
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, I worked for him before. I can get this thing out without it breaking. It's brass. It's very, very, this shit is really flimsy, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
What's on the back side of this, you know? Is there another room?
Just
or?
another wall, another.
Yeah, let's hopefully I don't have to open up the wall. Let's hopefully I don't. You never know with this old shit, you know?
Yeah. Well, this thing here has been perfect all the time we've had the house.
Huh?
And it just decided to be a problem.
Yeah, it's been all these years and all of a sudden it starts to give you... I don't even know if that's got a screw in it or what it is, but... I really don't know. That's definitely kind of a queer unit. Hopefully I get this thing out without breaking it. I don't know. It breaks in the wall, I'm gonna be screwed. I really don't wanna.
Oh, I guess I can leave you for a little while, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Wow. That ain't good. That ain't good. Well, I really can't get it from the other side. I might be able to, I don't know, hopefully it don't break in the wall. If it does, kind of screwed. Oh, man. I can grab it like that. Okay. Wow. I really can't. I might be able to. Ooh! It's coming. Bitch. Wow. This is all brass pipe. You gotta be careful. Ain't for the faint of heart, I'll tell you. Wow. That's fucking crazy. That's fucking crazy. Wow. 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 What a flipping piece of shit that thing is. Wow. I got another valve here. We'll put that in there. And fuck. Kicking my ass. Kicking my ass. Going back in shouldn't be as bad as coming out. Lucky the water main shut off downstairs. Ain't over. Ain't over till she sings, Ma. Ain't over till the lady sings. That should be good. And turn it on and make sure it don't leak before I go any further. You want to turn the water on now? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, shut the faucet off down there and turn on the water main if you want. We'll see if it leaks. Please. It put a new flap on the toilet here. That's weird. He's got the water back on. Let's see it working. Well, that's a good sign. To see what's going on inside this toilet here. Needs a new gasket. Mansfield. Gasket looks like it's beat. I'll change that gasket. Yeah, there's a gasket down in there that's shot too, so while I'm here.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
You're surprised?
No.
The flipping thing is just rotted. It's all rotted.
Oh, jeez.
I'll put a new one in there for you while I'm here, right? Takes 2 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
That's what they call a Mansfield. This one, it just clips in there. You miss working? You miss working?
This?
I said, do you miss working?
Do I miss it? You mean?
Do you miss it?
No.
No.
I'm doing a lot of other kind of work. Doing a lot of writing about the history of the railroads in this area.
Oh, really?
And publishing that stuff.
Well, good for you.
I'll show you if you want. After you're done.
Yeah, wait till I'm done, so see if we get this thing fixed for you. Turn it on and see if it works, hopefully. The toilet seems like it's rocking here. Rocking back and forth. It's doing the funky chicken on us.
Okay.
It's doing the funky chicken. Hopefully I can fix it. It just needs to be tightened. Hopefully, that's all it needs. Hopefully I can tighten this shit up. It's all just flipping loose as a goose here.
You know what? That might be
Flipping.
with
Loose as a goose. Yeah, it's just all loose. Just tighten it up. Thing's been...
It might be with the...
It's been sitting here for 50 years.
Well, I got to of other things that
Well, the thing was really just flipping loose as a goose here. You don't want to get them loose as a goose, do you?
No. That's funny. That's funny.
All right, let's see if it works. Hopefully. Turn it on and it works. Not leaking, the new one. I got lucky I didn't break that that brass nipple in the wall. That would have really been a terrible day if I did that.
No, I don't want you to have terrible days, just real good ones.
You just never know. I mean, you're working on this stuff and all of a sudden it just breaks apart in your hand. There's not much you can do about it, right?
That happens oftentimes with when I'm doing guns, antique guns.
Yeah, the thing is just smoked. It's just all cracked and corroded, and that would have been leaking like crazy. Should have tightened it up. Really something.
Looks like it went down easy.
We bolted it down, we tightened it down.
Jeez.
We got a new gasket, and I adjusted it the flow where it needs to be, and that's as good as it's gonna get. I mean, it's an older toilet, but it's still working, so leave it alone. Nothing wrong with it. Let me put your cover back on.
Oh, a little time to do